and look at where it pauses right here at these old highs. Hello, this is Pat Walker, Mission Winners, doing a training coaching video here on EGLE. EGLE bulk shipping. And so that looks pretty good. I see these tops that it lifted off. We build a case. There's a way to build a case that I've used for years. And I was an IBD meetup co-leader for 12, 13 years and firmly ingrained in leading groups and leading stocks and managed money that way for a long time. So here we go. EGLE. What's the group rank? 8 out of 197. Group relative strength, A+. Accumulation distribution, A. Composite rating, 99. Timeliness rating, A. That's how we build a case. So what are we looking at with this? Right here, you take a look at this chart. You can see the base right here. Last quarter, earnings up 602%, sales up 169%. The previous quarter, earnings up 323%, sales up 126%. That's power. That is real power. These are the things we look for. See this base right going across here? See the lift here? See the volume pickup? There's number one. And then it forms a little pennant. And this is very useful. Look, up on heavy volume, down on less volume, up on a pickup in volume. See that volume pickup? Igniting bar taking out this top right here. Those are the buys right there. And again, we know the fundamentals. Group rank A+, accumulation distribution A, composite rating 99. Last quarter's earnings up 602% and sales up 169%. Relative strength 98. Relative strength was leading the stock in the new high ground when it was consolidating right here. Again, it's in a great group. That's how we build a case to buy. And we did. Now, I want to take it a step further for you. You can say, well, I see these tops. This is another great tactic that I've used for years, and I want to share it with you. Look at the daily, but also look at the weekly. Do you see where this stock stopped? You see this? You ready? Here's the weekly chart. Look at that. The high on this bar is 54.55. The high on this bar is 54.60. The high on this bar is 54.70. You see that right there? The high on this bar is 55. The high on this bar is 54.66. Watch this. Make it simple. And you don't need to do it to the penny, folks. Right there. Why do you think this stock stopped right here? Charts are a reflection of human emotions, fear, greed, panic, complacency. Do you think there were people that bought the stock up there and watched it drop all the way down to here and go, oh gosh. And then it ran up to here and they sold? Do you think there's some people that bought it up here? Yes. Do you think there's some people that bought it up here? Yes. You can say, Pat, how can you say that? Let's be very pragmatic, folks. If it ran up to that price, that means there were buyers. Okay? Pulls back and look at where it pauses right here at these old highs. People that bought up there and watched it drop, comes up here, they sell some. And it's reflected again in the stock pausing right here. Could that eventually change? You bet it could change. How? Form a little handle and explode through there. But what have we done knowing that it is up to the old resistant line? Right there. And it's just really simple. We sold some into strength. That's it. We locked some profits in. No matter what happens, we'll make money. But the key point is this. How do you get in? Good entry solves a ton of problems. Do that, and the good exits will follow. All right? Good entry. We've built a case. Group rank 8 out of 197. A+ relative strength rating. Accumulation distribution A. Composite rating 99. Last quarter's earnings up 602%. Last quarter sales up 169%. That's how you build a case. A clean and simple base. And I'll go back to the daily. And people talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. Right there, folks. See that bar? They voted. And what were we doing? We were voting too. We were voting. It was telling us to. We build the case fundamentally and technically. These are the things that we look for at Mission Winners. Is what helps us stack the deck in our favor. If the vast majority of a stock price's movement is related to the industry and sector it's in, why don't you focus on the strong sectors?
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.